This is Dr. Tia. Welcome to Fish and Bread Church. Hit or miss. The profound utterances of noble men are what we study in school in America. Men like Napoleon, Albert Einstein, and even Donald Trump are studied, deified, or uplifted, and sometimes discounted or erased from memory. One of the theories that I set forth during my studies in university was the theory of ball and hole. The ball and hole theory is a fun theory for me because I notice things. And one of the things that I notice is that if a ball goes into a hole anywhere on Earth with any kind of accuracy, it's deemed successful. If a ball misses a hole, it's unsuccessful. So the McPike ball and hole theory was born. People tend to be paid more whenever they are in the midst of balls that enter holes with any kind of accuracy. For example, Tiger Woods. He's an amazing ball and hole artist. Patrick Ewing. Basketball is a game of balls and holes. But how is this relatable to me and what I need from God every Sunday when I attend this church? Within science, in quantum physics, the accuracy of a molecular or an atomic path should contain less than errors. A fidelity rate, which means that there is accuracy in the momentum, rise, deliverance, and fall and planting of any molecular or atomic object. Upon Saturday, August 27th at 9:08 p.m., Merriam-Webster, the American Dictionary, defined accuracy as the quality or state of being very accurate, precise, exact, with a measured amount of fidelity, or strict rightness or correctness. In school, we were made aware that Earth, which isn't a perfect circle, it's an oval, but it was meant to be a circle because it spins, was designed with a certain amount of accuracy. If there are 360 points in a circle, the rotation of the Earth is inclusive of an extra 5 days, thereby giving us 365 days a year. But what does that mean? As I have scanned the 617 laws of God upon the walls of Fish and Bread Church, I am discordant, which means I am not in agreement with God on 30% of the laws. That means 1 out of every 3 laws I have an issue with. And I know that because I studied each law one by one, and I took my touchscreen tool and scanned the laws that I didn't agree with or I wasn't in accordance with. And it was about a 27% error rate. So if I am a human who is in trouble 27% of the time, and God is almost perfect, his error rate is exactly 1.36986,301%, or 0.14%, which is a number so small that it's barely noticeable. I practice something every day in order to maintain accuracy. In Proverbs 20:10, it states, "Unequal weights and unequal measures are both an abomination to the Lord." In 1 Peter 5:8, it says, "Be sober-minded, be watchful. Your adversary, the devil, prowls around like a roaring lion, seeking someone to devour." In the Quran, in An-Nisa 4:103, it states, "When the prayers are over, remember Allah, whether you are standing, sitting, or lying down. But when you are secure, establish regular prayers. Indeed, performing prayers is a duty on the believers at the appointed times. So literally, there's an appointed time for every person, place, and thing on the planet. There is an accuracy and error rate for those people, places, and things as well. When you pray, when you practice, how accurate are you? And how accurate is God when He responds to your